Hey guys, I'm going to show you guys how to take this door panel off this 2011 Forester. Same from the 913. If you need to replace the window switch, regulator, glass, watch the other videos. There's one screw up here behind this tray, and there's one in here. As well. Get the screw out in here. There's one right here. Okay. Now, here in the front, for the switch needs to come out, there's a little, like a slot right here. Let me pull it off, I'll show you guys. I usually do that, and it will come out. Right here, let me show you. Right here, there's a little slot. So you stick your flathead, you can pry it. It's only held on by these guys. So since you get that out, you can go ahead and unplug these guys. Pushing these tabs. Okay. Two screws here. Okay. Now door panel's loose. Right here you got a little hand. You can get a hold of it right here. Just pull on it. Don't pull like this, you'll break this. Over here you're gonna have to pry it a little further up. Since you got loose like that, it needs to go up like that. And come in here. These two right here, you just pop them like this and they'll pop right out. They'll literally fall out. Disconnect this guy.